Hi guys, so I'm here in Roppongi Hills. We're going to check the Illumination 2023. So this area, check that out guys. Very nice. And see? Very nice illumination. So we're going to check out this illumination all along these streets. So check out this vlog guys. Too much crowd in this area and it's very cold. We are now running down to 3 degrees Celsius here in Tokyo. So it's very cold tonight. But still so many people. So check them out guys. Because the area is very nice. It's full of illuminated lights. Very nice illumination. It looks like so many people there. So we'll go that area guys. Let's check that out. So many people over there. So we are here in Roppongi Hills for the Illumination 2023. There's a Dior booth here. I don't know what is inside. So some people is in queue. Mostly ladies. Of course, this is a Dior brand. So let's check over there. So many people. Today is very cold here in Tokyo. So really cold. Oh, there's another attraction by Dior. Louis Vuitton, very famous brand. So let's go this area guys. This area is the best illumination on the streets. So let's check them out. So it's very crowded here. So many people. See, very nice illumination. Wow. So many people also here. Wow, very nice. Tokyo tourist bus. So people will start rushing on the center because you can take a very good photo with the Skytree Tower and all these streets. So check them out. See, they're running on the center and they will take photo. Check that out. See, it's very nice. So all these people are taking photo in the center of this pedestrian line. It's very nice, this area. Now they are running. It's time to go back. It's already stopped. Check out the view, guys, at my back. Very nice. So you can check this area, guys. Roppongi Hills Illumination 2023. If you are from Tokyo, so you can check out this area. It's very nice illumination, and you will really enjoy here. Very nice, guys. So that is the Tokyo Tower, the one that is visible in the Roppongi Hills illumination. So now we are almost near that one, but we will not go there. We will just take dinner in one Filipino restaurant here in Roppongi. So that this road is also going to that Tokyo Tower if you want to check that one. Very nice also. It's also very tall tower in Japan. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like and share. Bye.